Evening everyone. This is Feb March 2020 paper. In this session, I'll discuss the organic chemistry question, which is usually the last one. So in the first part, there are two types of polymers. Addition polymers are which are made from identical small units. What is the name used to describe the small unit? So what we call the small units, we call them as monomers. A section of addition polymer is shown. Draw the structure of a small unit. So this is a polymer. Section of a polymer is given. We want to draw a monomer. Remember, whenever you have a polymer given to you, what you will do, you will just take the first two carbon atoms, sort out the first two carbon atoms, and rest you hide them. And what we will do, we'll just draw the same structure but with a double bond. So whenever you want to draw a monomer from the polymer, you just have to draw the same structure but with a double bond. So take first two carbon atoms. This one is having hydrogen up, hydrogen down. The second carbon is having CH3 up and CH3 down. But keep it, don't try to take, like you have to take the first two one. First two or the last two. Don't try to take it like in between. So because it's a monomer, so we'll place a double bond. Then polyamide are condensation polymers. What does the term condensation means when we use to describe this type of polymers? So what is the meaning of condensation? It means water molecule is also given off. Water molecule is a product. So the water is a product. That's why we call them as condensation polymers or polymerization. And part C, polyamide can be made from two different monomers. Polyamide is a synthetic polymer. The simplified structure of octadioic acid is shown, and simplified structure of 1,6-diaminohexane is shown as well. We have to complete, remember, whenever we want to draw a polymer, a condensation polymer, and if it is carboxylic acid and amine, so carboxylic acid will lose its OH, amine will lose its H. Carboxylic acid will lose its OH and amine will lose its H. So the box here, the unshaded box, that means amine group is there. So this amine group, we remove one of the H, and you can remove any one. Like you can remove H from the bottom or you can remove H from the top. That does not make difference. So one H is up, and the other H is also removed. Then we have a carboxylic group, dicarboxylic acid, which lose OH. So this C double bonded with O is there, and OH is being lost. And this also loses OH, so C double bonded with O. This one as well, same way, amine group is there, in which one of the hydrogen is lost. Here carboxylic. And then linked with each other. And this will be the structure of nylon, which contain amide, or we can also say peptide linkage. Then state the name of synthetic polyamide. So what we call synthetic polyamide, we call that as nylon. If it was a polyester, then we call that as terylene. So this was organic chemistry question from Feb March 2020 exam.